Hi, good morning. Kathy here from Kathy's Cute Creations. Today is going to be the unboxing of the Sew Sampler. I know it's a little bit late, but I get them late. So let me move the camera down here so we can see what we got. Okay. And if you've seen everybody else's, you can see that it is the Spectrum. And it is showing on this back side here what the finished quilt would look like. So let's hold it up here for you to see. If you were following along doing the baskets, of course I did not get my, I haven't had my boxes for 12 months, so I did not get all the pattern pieces. But each one of them, as you can see, let me put a little bit closer here for you. Even though they're all baskets, they're all different. So you can see that the triangles are smaller here than they are in this one. As you can see, there's 6 here, there's 4 there. The baskets are different at the bottom, like on this one here, compared to this one here. So let's put that up there so you can take a look at them. That's what your quilt would look like if you'd been following along and you did each one every single month. Okay. And then in this basket, it is saying that instead of them putting a price on each one of the items, which is normally what they do, they just automatically said that the value of the box is over $60 for March. Let's move my hand out of the way so you can see that. It does show everything that's in the box, all the different items. It's just not showing the prices on them. Okay, so let's start out with the top here. This is a Bella Rose Gold tape measure. It says genuine leather rose gold tape measure. So you pull it out. It's got your centimeters and your inches. Here's your centimeters on this side. And then there's a little button here in the middle to retract it. So that's pretty cute. It's something different. Okay. You got your little sticker for those that like to collect stickers. Then it went ahead and it's given you the last block, which is number 12, which is this one here, and the directions on how to make it. And then it shows you that if you did make it, this is what it looks like, which is what I was showing you before. That's what it would look like. And you can make this in a 5.5, a 10, or a 15.5 inch. So that's what it shows. Each column is a different. Hopefully you can read that, I'm not sure. There are True Grips, and I have these on some of my rulers. I really like them. So I don't need to be keeping this. There's a 4-inch curvy log cabin trim tool. This is already non-slip. It's got a little grid type thing, if you can see those little dots here in the back. That's where they're non-grip. So that's where you don't slide with their ruler. Now I won't keep this because personally I've seen some of these log cabin blocks that they're making that they're saying curvy, and I cannot see the curve on them, so I won't be keeping that. This is the Sparkle Quilt, and I guess they're using that ruler. It says bonus side option included, size option included. Put this up here. So what they're doing is it's got lap and queen size, and it looks like this block is just based on the picture here, right here, in that picture there. What they've done is they've made it, and then they take this and they square it. So they're using this as the squaring. So that's would be taking part of your fabric off. That squares up the blocks. Let's see what else is in here. There they've laid out the design for you. And here's showing the lap quilt if you were to use it, and it's centered, and the borders here, the lap borders. And then the queen, they would do 4 of them. And that would make a queen size. Okay. And that's it. So it shows the lap, shows the queen. These are the fabrics that came in the bundle this time, which are here. And let's see. This is ombre fabric. And it looks like it is 4 18 by 44 inch cuts. Let me unwrap it here. And these are really, really pretty colors, so I definitely want to keep this. Let's unwrap it here. And let's, okay, so it's, okay, so as you notice at the bottom, let's hope the colors are true here. It's a lot of dots, and as it goes higher and higher, it becomes less and less. And that is gold with green. This is blue. Let's show you the, if I get, here we go. Let's do this, and this will give you an idea of the colors. How it goes from a dark, and then it gets lighter and less polka dots. And then there's the pink, which is really, really pretty. Of course, I do like pink colors. Let's start from this end here and go to the lighter. And this was a darker green. Let me pull that out so I can, and then this is a lighter green. And I'm going to lay these out so that you can look at them. Here we go. That's what the fabric looks like. All right, here's everything that came in the box for the month of March. And looks like the only thing I'm going to be keeping is I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to keep the fabric, and I'm going to keep the little tape measure here. And so the rest of the stuff will be put into my stack of the giveaways. Okay. And then, of course, when it gets time to give the giveaway, I will show all the products. I'm thinking about letting the winner actually pick the products from the giveaway. I think that'd be, that would be nicer if somebody actually got what they wanted. This way I could just lay some things out and have you pick them. And that's what I'm thinking about. You guys can give your feedback. I don't know if you like to, if you prefer to be surprised about what you get, or would you really like to, you know, pick and choose from some stuff, or even pick and choose a couple items and then me put extra items in there. Think about it a while. I mean, I got quite a bit to go before I get that 1,000 subscribers, so hope you like this video. See you next time. Bye-bye.